In this problem, we have to find the forces in the member ED, EH, and GH of the truss, and we have to also find whether these three members are in tension or compression. But first, we have to find the reaction forces at joint F and joint A. So, if I apply the moment at point A, then I have the 40 kilonewton force with a perpendicular distance of 1.5 meters, a 30 kilonewton force with a perpendicular distance of 3 meters, and 40 kilonewton force with a perpendicular distance of 2 meters, and the reaction force at point F in the vertical direction with a perpendicular distance of 4 meters. So the force at point F in the vertical direction is 57.5 kilonewton. And in case of the joint A, in case of the horizontal direction forces, we have the horizontal force at point A, which is AX, and we have the 30 kilonewton force and 40 kilonewton force, but these two forces are negative. So we get a reaction force at point A in the horizontal direction, which is 70 kilonewton. And in case of the vertical direction forces, we have the 57.5 kilonewton force at the point F, the 40 kilonewton force and 50 kilonewton force. And you see these two forces are negative, and we have a positive reaction force at point A in the vertical direction. So we get 32.5 kilonewton force in the vertical direction at point A. So in order to find the forces in these three members, we can split the left side of the truss. So according to free body diagram, we can apply moment at point E. So we get the 57.5 kilonewton force with a perpendicular distance of 2 meters, and this force is moving in clockwise direction. And we also have the force in the member GH with a perpendicular distance of 1.5 meters. So we can get the force in the member GH, which is 76.7 kilonewton. And you see that this force produces tension. And we can also apply movement at point H. So we get the 57.5 kilonewton force again with a perpendicular distance of 4 meters. And also this force is moving in clockwise direction. And we have also the force in the member ED with 1.5 meter perpendicular distance and the 40 kilonewton force with a perpendicular distance of 2 meters. So force in member ED is about 100 kilonewton, and this force produces compression. While in case of the force in the y direction, we have the 57.5 kilonewton force, and we have the force in member EH, and we have perpendicular hypotenuse of the triangle, which is 3 over 5, and we have a negative 40 kilonewton force. So the force in member EH is about 29.2 kilonewton, and this force also produces tension.